Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain how to create a portrait, a fun personal portrait in Notion. This is a new feature of Notion. Right before the new year, they launched this feature, which is called Notion Faces. And I'm just going to do and test it with you right away for the first time. But what's the purpose of this feature? It's just some fun. You can create an icon of yourself and an avatar, let's say, and you can use it either in Notion or you can even download it and use elsewhere. So let's start and let's give it a try. So you see, to create this Notion face portrait, you should go to faces.notion.com and here panel of instruments will open with the preview on the main window and the menu items on the left side. So let's go and try what we can do. So first we choose skin tone. I will choose white, which is my skin tone basically. But yeah, it has a ninja, so that's why it doesn't change. Let me maybe refresh this page, because every time you come to this Notion Faces page, it shows it shows a new avatar by default. So let's try this one. So white, yeah, you see it has changed. So no worries, everything's working. So skin tone is white. Eyes, I guess I would choose the standard eyes. Brows. I have large brows actually, but not fat. Let's say just large, exactly like these are. Well, eyewear. Actually, I have glasses. I wear glasses, so I will choose glasses. And we have a lot of models, let's say here, and I can choose the one that matches my own glasses. This is probably the one. Yeah, I guess that's the one. Let's check nose. I have a big nose, but it is also a pretty standard shape, but a big one. I guess this one matches the best. Okay. Mouse. Yeah, I guess I will choose a smile here. A smile works good for me. Then here, here I have just this haircut, pretty standard one. And we have also accessories. Yeah, I guess a pencil would be good. It's quite a good thing to express my personality. I guess that's it. So let's go and save it. Let's call it Andrew's portrait. I, I don't know, my standard face, no background. Let's continue. And you see, we can download it, portrait only, or we can customize it. So download, customize for sharing social. No, we will not customize it at the moment. We will download it with transparent background. Yeah, and now we can just go and upload this image as our Notion profile, or if we would like to use it in other websites like Facebook, for example, I don't know, then we can customize it for, we can use, customized for other places. I guess that's it. Looks like a fun feature. Thanks Notion again. A lot of features they launch every year, and most of them are just useful features, but this one is just for fun. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.